Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Partners in Cream project pan introduction. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before I get into that though, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. And let's hop into the video. Alright, so Partners in Cream is back. I am so excited. I love doing this project every year. This is my third year doing it. Please excuse my dog tip-tapping in the background, but she will not stop and I need to film. But this is a project created by Steph and DaLin. I will link their channels down below. But a few years ago, they created this project, and the premise is you take 3 to 6 cream products, and it could be cream, liquid, anything that's not a powder. Typically, many people include like Super Shock, putty formulas in this as well because they do dry out, and the premise is to hit pan or finish or whatever your goal is, you can bring it into this project, and it's just a great way to make sure you focus on your cream products because they do tend to go bad faster than powder products. So I always love doing this. I always include cream products into my other projects, but it is nice to have a project dedicated to cream products. Alright, so I chose 6 products to roll in. I am going to the max and I am rolling 6 in. I am really excited to work on these products, similarly to last year. Yeah, so 5 out of the 6 have finish goals, and they're going to be longer haul items, and then I have 1 rotational item like I like to do in my project. So let's get started. So the first item I'm rolling in is my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I have the shade Tan Lines, and I actually already have pan. So I hit pan in this I did have this in a project, but I got a lot of use on it last year. And as you can see, I mean, there's still a lot of product in here, but I do have a significant pan and a significant amount of usage. So my goal is to finish this. I don't know if I can. I really hope I do. I really hope that I can finish it. And I'm excited to track my progress with this item. So we'll see how I do. And yeah, let's see. I don't know what to say. Okay, second item I'm rolling in is a primer. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow Face Primer. This I've had in a project before for usage goals, but I'm right here at this blue line. I have not finished this one before, but in 2021 I finished 2 of the regular All Nighter face primers, and I find them to be relatively easy to pan. This was probably like 30 uses or something like that. So I do think I can get through this relatively fast. I think this is not necessarily a gimme, but one that's not going to be as long haul as the other ones. And I just finished a gripping primer, so I was between this one and the other one that I have, but because this one I have more usage on, I decided to start with this one. And I am very excited to finish this. I think I can do it relatively quickly. So yeah, I'm rolling this guy in. Next on my list, I am panning my Tower 28 Beach Please blush in the shade Magic Hour. I already have pan on this as well. I have no idea if I can finish this year, but we're gonna try. We're gonna see how much I can get use out of. Last year my goal was to be better about taking pictures in my projects, but now I'm really dedicated to hopefully getting good pictures every time I do an update. I'm going to take pictures of everything right after I'm done filming, and I really hope that we can make some good tracking progress on this blush. So rolling that in, and then next, she's back. Flexitarian is back. I had this in the whole year in 2021 in Partners in Cream. Then I rolled this into my deck of panning last year, and now I'm bringing her back into Partners in Cream. This needs to be gone this year. I've had this since, this is at least 4 years old. Like, I am so tired of it. I need this out of my life. I'm gonna try to see if I can put in a picture of like where it was when I had this in this project in 2021, where it was when I started in 2022, and then obviously this is where we are now in 2023. So I know I can finish it this year. Like, this is not a lot of product left, but I am so tired of it. I am so tired of it. Before I used to say this is an item I would repurchase. No, not anymore. Yeah, I'm ready for this to be done, and I'm hoping, okay, actually no. Let me know what you think down below. How many months do you think this will take me to finish? I'm hoping by summer. Like, I'm hoping by the end of June this will be done. we'll see. So those are my first 4 products. Now I have 2 lip products. So the first one is to finish, and it's a lip gloss. This is the Bare Minerals lip gloss. I don't know what the formula is. It's not on here, but it's in the shade Daredevil. And I had this in a project previously. You can see my lines, but this thicker, longer line down here is where we are at. So we've got a little less than half of the tube left. And I would like to finish this. It's not my favorite gloss, but it's not horrible. I can make it work. And we'll just see how long it takes me to finish, hopefully by springtime, because this is not a color I would probably reach for in the summer. And lastly, I have my rotational lipstick. So as I said in my rolling 2023 project pan, my goal this year is to use all of my lipsticks at least 10 times. And so part of the way I'm going to achieve that goal is by having rotating lipsticks in each of these projects. And so I am rolling one in here, of course. So the goal is to use it 10 times. And I decided to roll in the ColourPop Lippy Stick in the shade Parker because I rolled a more berry, cooler toned shade in my 2023 rolling project. So I thought I would choose something more neutral, more warm for this project. So this is Parker. It's one I've used a little bit, but not a ton. So I am excited to get to know this a little bit more and use it more in my collection. So that is my rotating lipstick for the intro. And that is all I have for you today. Those are the 6 products I'm rolling in. I'm really excited that this project is back and that I can participate, and I'm really excited to see the progress I make on these items. I don't know that anything will be out of the collection next month. Maybe the lipstick, we'll see. Hopefully I can do that each month, like just kind of rotate one each month. Last year I did the Lisa Eldridge lipsticks in this project for 5 uses, so 10 is a little bit more than that, but we'll see, yeah, so this might not always have new items rolling in, but I hope you still find it interesting and see some good progress. So that is all I have for you today. Once again, thank you, Steph and DaLin, for creating this project and bringing it back this year. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!